Welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all is okay. Today I'll review new project name is best project. All the thing of best project is good. Today we'll discuss about best in details though their website. Hope you will be able to understand all the thing about this project. Okay, so don't skip the video, stay with full video. So let's discuss the main topics of this project. Home. Best reward token DP, the future of decentralized financing. Listing on PancakeSwap cut down. So pre-sale is over token will be able to buy online exchange. So everything is all of this project. Okay, so don't miss this video. Ecosystem of this project, ecosystem service. Our service instant exchange, the swap now. Instant swapping between crypto in 3 minute, 50 minute, and cheapest market rates. We are able to provide you the best service on the blockchain up to 100 plus crypto and flat currencies supported. Our fee are as low as 0.5%. So instant exchange is the awesome. So CRUD service. So by now this coin, so related virtual cards neither easy to access on ships among user online who want to remain animals. Online based rare token will bridge the gap between price and becomes to give a provide secret and easy way to shop in text online in Africa and Android. So ecosystem service, so mobile gaming. So there is many details of this project. Okay, so roadmap of this project. So roadmap, stage one, technical consultation and preparation. Stage two, development of tokenomics and ecosystem. Stage three, creation of token and launch pre-sales. So stage four, ecosystem service development and smart contracts development. Stage 5, exchange listing, PancakeSwap and mobile app wallet pre-sale. Stage 6, work in progress in other service and expensive and ready launch service exchange. Stage 7, top exchange listing and more. So I think this is a clear roadmap with experienced team of this project. So I stated best reward ecosystem will be the most advanced decentralized digital ecosystem. It is our business, it is my business, and it is our business. Okay, so 2 million user pre-decent ecosystem is in 2 years. So okay, so everything is all of this project. So why is best reward token unique? So as stated here, so reward holder, so 60% of all fee and profit from the ecosystem will be distribution among token holder monthly. So buyback and brand progress program, we have implement buyback and brand program every month, and buyback token with 60% of existing profit, and we brand the quality. So okay, use cash. So BIT will be used to buy for product and service within the ecosystem. This aspect of the token is what we value most. Ecosystem currency, BIT will service as the main assist replacement all of the best reward ecosystem activities. So okay, so if you yarn this project, please visit this site and more information. So 100% you yarn this project. So tokenomics of this project. So token distribution, best reward token will be developed on Binance's Smart Chain and fully comply with BIP20. So standard, this is standard granted the compatibility of the token with third party of service wallet exchange listing etc, and provides easy integrations. Okay, so distribution table. So 80.4% Adobe Bunty and partners. So 30.41% stacking reward token. So stacking red token is good. So I think 6.6% Honda and team 25% press sales. Okay, so docs document. So team token member frequently asked question FQ: what is DeFi? So what is blockchain? What is stacking and how will it work? So stacking. So the proof of stake post concept is the person can mine or validity block or transaction according to how money token her or she hold. This means that to more BRT token on it by holder, then more meaning power he or she has in the staking pool. So what is exchange? So often organizes marketplace such as stock exchange, where buy and sells negotiations. Price exchange require an almost instant real time big and ask matching. So state and clearing and market weight price communication and determine. So is there free token program? How do the company ensure token are not worthless after token sales? What wallet I have to use to hold my token? How many token shall be in circulating supply? So everything details here. So if you any question, please visit this site and ask and click this right button and you can see more information of this project. So so I think this project is very well. So I see more person join every day in this project. So get in touch from state from so stay connect or Facebook, Telegram, Twitter, Medium, LinkedIn. So there is a many for contact. Please visit this site. So okay, about the roadmap system. So everything is all of this project. So please sign in and sign up in this site. After that, you can save. So okay, so this project has a bright future. So I hope this project will be a success. So okay, no more today. Thank you for watching my video. Good luck every investor.